guys, it's Nosabor here with a Minecraft tutorial video on how to make a vanilla server on Windows. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the Minecraft website, you want to click download, and you do not have to be signed in for this. You want to click on multiplayer server, and on Windows you download the server executable right there, just like that, and just wait for it to download. You can open in folder there, or you could, as always, start documents and downloads. Alright, and then that's just a thing I accidentally did earlier. It's Minecraft server.exe. Now what you should do is what I like to do is go on the desktop and make a new folder. Just put server. I know I spelled wrong, but oh well. Close out of this. And if you have an antivirus, just tell me crap. Alright, and then all you gotta do is double click on it. And I would uncheck that because you're gonna have to execute that every single time you want to run the server. And then here he goes. It starts up. Now on first setup, when it makes this, it might be kind of laggy. I know I am because I'm running server and recording. But anyways, I'd recommend you highly install Java 7 from the Oracle website for your platform, which I would hopefully it's Windows, but it works on all platforms. And right now, well, it can't keep up, but it is writing files. So stop server, you type in stop, save chunks. Just close this out in a sec. Yeah, this is pretty slow for me. I had to write files and record. But anyways, you're going to get some of these text files, and then in the server properties, I use Notepad++ for all my server editing. It's just a lot nicer, and you can see stuff better. It's more organized, much better than Notepad. But anyways, if you want the Nether, you can enable it here. What you want the world map pod, the seed, and server IP, you can just leave blank if you want to, and you can enable mobs and everything. The difficulty: 1's peaceful, 2's normal, 3's hard. Game mode 0, that is survival. Game mode 1 would be creative, but we'd want 0. Max players, you can alter that. I usually just do 12. It's better than 20. Generate structures, usually probably set for 2. If you have a pretty bad internet connection, and view distance can be anywhere from 3 to 10. 10 is what it usually is, but a lot of times I just set mine to 8 because players don't even know it. But it actually does, if you're running the server a lot, reduce bandwidth. And the MOTD, that's what players actually see when they go to ping your server. So just put Nosabor's server there, and then you just save this, close out. And if you're going to have the whitelist enabled, only the players in this text file right here can be added. But and you can also add them from the terminal. You just use the command whitelist add and then their name, and then that's basically about it. And then for you to connect, let me go ahead and open it since I configured it. Show you the basic command to op yourself easily. See, every time you launch the server, it has to do this. Prepares the spawn area. And sorry guys if my video is a bit bad. I can't really do all this at once, but I'm doing it anyways from a laptop. And you're going to have to use full player names for this. Opping Nosabor. So when I get in the game, it should be there for me. So this probably wasn't the best idea. I should have had this. We can probably play offline. I'll just show you that you can ping to it, and then you just connect and get in. And I do have a lot of mods installed, so this isn't helping any, but I'll definitely improve on next videos. This is my first. Alright, and to connect to your server, all you want to do when you make a new server, I just usually put in LAN server, and your server address, it will just be localhost, or you could put in 0.0.0.0, which searches all IP addresses. It's the exact same thing. Or you could just use your computer's IP address, whatever works for you. I usually just use localhost because it's just cooler. If you want to port forward your server and your friends to actually connect, you can use Hamachi, but I don't recommend doing that. But if it's a lot easier to do in some aspects, and I'd only allow people that you trust a lot to actually join, because it sets up a VPN with your computer and people can hack you from that. So make sure you trust the people you add on that. Alright, and then that's the op command. and then deop, just to deop a person. You can, this is where you're supposed to stop the server. You just don't want to X out. You want to stop to make sure it saves everything. And alright guys, that is how you set up basic Minecraft vanilla server. Thanks for watching. I was Nosebledo, signing out.